this is Natalie from Line.Arrow from the Netherlands, and I'm here with the winner's drawing for December. We did a domino challenge with the Holy and Heart papers and a set of free papers. It was almost a kit that was available for free in the Line.Arrow Facebook group. The challenges were also hosted by Sophie's Crafty Corner and Two Sister Jam Facebook group. And we are going to do the winner's drawing today. I think Sophie already did her winner's drawing, if I am correct. Yes, she did. And I'm going to do mine now. I'm going to spin 5 times. Each group is going to spin 5 times. And the person that name pops up wins a kit. You can contact me via my Etsy store. I have to say the new kits that will come out in January are excluded. I have the names in front of me. I'm going to shuffle. And I'm going to spin 5 times. And if you win, you can contact me via my Etsy store. You can go over to the Etsy store. And if you have a link or a screenshot of the kit you want, I would prefer if you send me that, so I know for certain which one to send you. Because sometimes I'm so confused which one I have to send you. But give me give me a day or two to actually send out the papers. But I will send them to you. The first winner is Naomi Shaw. So congratulations, Naomi. You can contact me via my Etsy store. I'm going to remove your name completely from the wheel, so others have a chance of winning too. There you go. And I'm going to give it another shuffle. And I'm going to spin again. So this is the second winner. And the second winner is, I can't even read it, it's so tiny. Beverly Smith-Gross. Congratulations, Beverly. Again, contact me via my Etsy store. And I'm going to remove you completely from the wheel. Oh, and I totally forgot to ask if you all had a great Christmas. I'm so sorry. I was just going through the motions of the winner's drawing. But yeah, we had Christmas, right? I hope you all had a good Christmas. Spend time with family. And for those of you who are going through a rough time, especially during Christmas, this must be very hard. But I do hope for everyone things will be better soon, and we will all pray for you, and things will have to go for the best in 2026. But yeah, some people really have big things going on in their life. And the third winner is Cheryl. Cheryl, I know you are going through a rough time at the moment too, so take your time to contact me. And also, yeah, I will pray for you and hope things will go better for you too. A lot of people have so much going on. It's really around Christmas. That must be very hard. My heart goes out to them. The fourth spin, it always makes me a bit sad. I'm lucky enough to have a good Christmas this year. No funny stuff going on. So, yeah. And Dorothy, congratulations too. You won a kit from my Etsy too. I'm going to remove you too. And this is the final spin I'm going to do. Going to give it a few shuffles. And this is the 5th draw that I'm doing. And it's going to be a rather short video. I wanted to do a live, but I realized I was too late announcing it. My brother and his wife were over, and we had afternoon drinks we made tapas. So kind of had dinner already. So I almost forgot I had to do the winner's drawing. I was having a great time. And the fifth winner is Karen Lancaster Jocelyn. And also Karen is going through a rough time with her husband. So I'm sending hugs to you, Karen. And I hope your husband is doing okay. And I hope this kit, how small it is going to give you some joy and happiness to deal with all the hard things that are going on. But yeah, please contact me via my Etsy. But yeah, I want to thank everybody for joining in with the Domino Challenge. I know it was a bit difficult for some to grasp what the idea was, but basically there are many ways to play it, and every way is good. There's no good, there's no right or wrong. The only thing you needed to do is play with the free papers or with the kit. And if you played with the free papers, it gave you 1 entry, and if you played with the kit, that will give you 2 entries. So, but yeah, you all jumped into it, and it was a new thing that I thought, well, that's going to be fun in December because everybody is super, super busy. And for me, it gave me a few weeks of doing the challenges every Saturday, because it's taking me a whole Saturday to make the challenge, to come up with the challenge, make the papers, shoot the video, edit the video, and make the events and everything. Not complaining, but it's well, it was very good to have a few weeks off from that. So thank you all for making it possible for me, and thank you all for still keeping the group growing, because yeah, it's Christmas, and a lot of people have family time or things happening, and they do not spend a lot of time on Facebook, which I understand. And yes, now we are getting ready for a New Year's Eve, and I hope to do a video before that. But I will be back for sure, and I'm going to do a giveaway video with, well, many items that I'm going to give away. So, but I will announce that in the Facebook group, and I think it's going to be a live. So I have to be certain that I will announce that on the right time, so everybody knows when I'm doing a video. But yeah, this was it for today. Thank you all so much for joining in. Thank you all for watching. Like the video, leave a comment. And for those of you who won, please contact me via my Etsy. Tell me which kit you want, if possible with a kit link, and I will send it to you within a day or 2. Thank you all so much. Greetings from the Netherlands. Stay safe, stay creative, and I hope to see you the next time. Bye bye. Bye.